Good morning. I think I figured out my voice and my video from yesterday. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the Ryan Max Show. Um, Kind of gapping off down a little bit from last night and kind of giving us this good rundown. This gap would probably come back up to 25,680 when we go to clear it, but question is that. Good morning, Miss K911. Good morning, FedEx and Matt. Good morning. Um, let's see here. We're gonna take a peek at some old books before we get started. We've got about 10 minutes, so let's take a peek at that. There we go. Okay, the NQ quickly. We'll just go with what's going on the NQ. We got kind of a bear flag forming here. Came up, dumped off, hit a support. It's hitting resistance below the Macdicator VWAP. And of course, we have that going on right there. Now, let's see here. Let's look at this here. We got that. So matching it up with the Bookmap. We're going to match it up with the Bookmap here. All right. So quickly, while we have you, we're dumping off right now. We got some, we got 25,250. So got 25,250 with 26 resting lots. So we're going to go through that. So we're just going to go back and forth. Let's see if we can't get this set up. So drawing out our supports on the NQ, I would say we're looking for support at 25,181. Definitely looking for support here at 25,175. And then this is a support here. Now, to decipher these out, we have to look at the higher time frames, I would say. Yeah, for sure. And then we got a kind of this fair value gap. So I'm going to put a support right there. And then obviously these wicks here. Oh. Then 202 is what we're coming up on now. For resistance above us, we have this price here. We have this. I would say even this wick might be some damage on the 15. 1 minute, kind of confluence those all up. Yep. So above and below. Then we got the VWAP, of course. Then we have 25,319. Then we have a couple gaps up here from the Macdicator. So we'll just go ahead and with that. Let's look at the ES real quick. So we got the ES coming on 200 EMA pushing this down. And if we go below, we do have support here. We got a gap down here that the ES might want to fill at 6,850. 6,850. So got that. Got a support resistance right there at 6,889. Then we got a couple gaps up here that we can use as support, but I'm going to draw a line where previous VWAP was right there. So we could come right back up and take that out. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders on the ES. And then we have gold. Look at gold real quick. Oh my. We're going to hit 5,000 soon, huh? Look at gold. My goodness. 5,000. Woof. It's on the freaking way. All right. So gold, we're in all-time highs. Tough to pan out, but we can put supports on gold. We're looking for this gap here, 4,743. We're looking for 4,737. Looking for 4,725, and then obviously this low. But there are plenty of gaps below for that. And if anybody's trading that, let me know. So let's go back to the NQ. All right. Look at that. Live Alex TWB is long. He is long. Look at that. So 4,750 on the Bookmap. And then of course we have silver at 60. Gold, that looks like oil. Oil. We're showing crude oil here. Hello, Tanner. Tannerx. So we're gonna see where we go with the open. Open is about 6 minutes. Live Alex TWB. Hit the like button. Thank you. Gotta get my coffee. Trying to put this stream together. Man, it's a lot of work. Again, like I said, I give all the YouTubers who have to edit and do all this stuff a lot of credit. A lot of credit there. What we got today? Let's see, we got 40% off Lucid Blacks. It just came out with a new platform, only limit per 5 per trader, and then 30% off on their other evals that they have. But Lucid Black, 3 days to pay out, $1,500 payout requests. Profit targets 3K as an example on the 50K. Right now, Apex has 80% off Alex TWB. You type in the chat any of these words, it'll interact with you. Type in exclamation Macdicator. We have cool things going on, so that going for us. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on. We got about 4 minutes before we get started. What are we trading today? What are we trading today? Lucid, Apex, 80% off. Gold up here. Gold is up here. All right, back to NQ. 25,209. About 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes before we get started. I'm gonna drink coffee. I need coffee. Oh, I'm gonna put a poll in the chat. Gotta put a poll. Let's see. Start the poll. Do we fill the gap? Do we even go up? I feel like it's gonna trap some buyers or sellers, so we're gonna start a poll. What trap do you think it'll start today? Yeah, so in other words, we open, we go higher, and then we drop. I mean, profile is pretty bear flaggish. See if the ES wants to keep pushing up. NQ. We'll zoom in on the NQ. There you go. Gap fill 25,235. And we are open in about 28 seconds. Loud bell coming in. Got this loud bell coming through. About 14 seconds. Boom. Wow. Push straight up to VWAP. And we're open. Market's open for business. Straight push. Even ES is popping higher. Oh. Make me work. All right. Let's see if we can't get setups. Let's see. All right, Lucid should come up as good. A verbal dictation, but been tinkering with all of the stuff that you need to tinker with, but it's coming along like an editor. Oh, there it is. See, doesn't matter what it used. Nightbot answered it. Oh man, StreamerBot not answering it as fast. Okay. All right now. Got this chart moved over to silver. Vedex, did I fix my camera and mic delay? What's up, Echo? Whoa. Market shot up, hit the freaking VWAP and rejected. We got a gap down here at 25,206. We were calling out a bull trap at 57% right now. What do we got for votes? 7 votes. Nice, very nice. Gonna be a bull trap. Looking for the turnaround. Oh, I'm not sure why StreamerBot is not oh, that's why. Fixed it. Again, I give these YouTubers a lot of credit. So much to do. So let's look at gold real quick. Let me get out of the way. 47.40. Silver 94.47, 45. Wow, we hit 95.50 almost. Sheesh. Wow. Mhm. All right, we're still going up. All right, gap number one on the NQ is here at 25. Wow. Okay, 25.3, 53. Touching the bottom of it right now. All right, so we got a rejection at the bottom of this gap, 25.357. Very curious to see if they, yep, close that right there like that. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, there we go. There's the bull trap thesis. All right, so kind of waiting for this market to shake itself out. We've had a couple days off, so all right. Projecting that VWAP. Um, ES is kind of chopping around. It's gonna be choppy. Be a choppy day. Market makers need to come back. Yeah, gold has been on fire. It's actually just dumped off. Goodness. Yeah, it just dumped off right there. Look at that. Almost $30. Woo! Man. Goodness gracious. Still pushing up. Right up to the bottom of the gap, I think 25,472. It could reach for that. See why it wouldn't. Let's look at the QQQ. Man, these are some insane candles. 50-point candles, I guess. Get on the wrong side of that candle, you liquidate. There we go. 50 points back down. Back to VWAP on the Bookmap. Oh boy. The Over 85 points right there. The lower in 1 minute. It's tough to trade on, but micros would be good. That's it. I'm done. Did you take a trade? Did you TP? Macdicator. You need to write a review, Echo, for the Macdicator. You're probably one of the longer subscribers of that. You need to start implementing that here in the stream. WAP. On WAP. Yeah, WAP will do it. I gotta fix my lighting. Excuse me, 1 second. Man, the Midwest, I tell you what, the Midwest, so cold. Right now we got about -5 degrees here in the Midwest, so not much you want to do outside. Okay, let's see what we got. Man, ES is just chopping, chopping back and forth. Oh, gold's still dumping off. Yep, dumping off. It's right now, I'll tell you what it's doing right now.
Fugazi, Fugazi, it's a wazzy, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust.
Lauren came to say. Yeah. You beat me out? Did I get tipped on my my mic? Good. It's working. Well, closed it red. $5. Oh, man. All right, so now we're back up. It looks like we're bear trapping more so, making a higher low, going make a high, make a higher low. Now we got 25,357. Or do we come back down to the 200 EMA and make a lower high? That's I think a short looks better. Short looks better. All right. Um ES is pulling back, rejected the VWAP there. Look at the ES, my chart. kind of why we're kind of pulling back, but it is chopping, man. This is some huge candles to get up there. Not set up for it right. All right, looking at the volume on options right now, we could pull back quite a bit. We have all the volume to the north. So that has happened today. We do have some volume lower though before we go higher. But market makers could give this a lower high. You're up late, up early. You're up till 6 a.m., not up at 6 a.m. I mean, geez, you've been trading all night. Been on tilt? Got some Red Bull in you? Doesn't sound like you had any fun playing with gold. Honestly, it sounds like I would enjoy sitting in a river panning rather than trying to figure out which way gold is trying not to go. No. If when I take a trade, I'll move over to this. But I'm looking at the options chain right now, trying to figure that out. Yeah, that's what I've heard. I've heard Home Depot sand has gold in it. 2 Gs. About now, probably now, yeah. They're probably like, these things need to go up in price because there's gold in them. Sand. Imagine that. There's definitely ways to hunt for gold with the prices where they're at. I don't think there would be a half of ounce in those bags of sand, but man, you never know. You might find some nugget. Yeah, that would be fun, right? You just pan the Home Depot sand. I'd be in Nevada right now trying to hunt, gold hunt on the ground. There's places that you could just find gold laying around in this world, just chilling. Big old freaking like potatoes size gold. I've heard of it, man. It's probably rare now, but you can find them. You can if you look hard enough. You can go to Alaska and you can go dredge the Bering Sea. Do that. Right now, it definitely is being kind of one of those things where it's being a fugazi, man. Definitely a fugazi.
Fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust.
It ain't real. All right, I want to see if it breaks this 25,334. It looks like it's got enough power to do so. Oh, rejection. 340 reject. Let's look at the QQQ. QQQ is at 613. Yeah, got a pivot up there. The QQQ. Still pushing up. Still pushing up. Got the book map still pushing up. Hmm. I think we go at least to the bottom of the gap, 614.99, 615 on the NQ or the QQQ. The NQ would be for that equivalency would be right here at 25,472. I think we go up to here and reject, so it's a long until then. Just a matter of where do I enter? Where do I enter? Where do I enter? All right, poll's ending. There we go. 60% of you think it was going to be a bull trap. It's possible. Very possible still. Just kind of on this way. Bouncing off the 9. Rejecting the VWAP on the ES. Right. Finding support here at 25,305. All right, let's see. Think for yourself. What's going on? I haven't seen you in a bit. We're going short. 10 a.m. candle opening here shortly. That's right. We've got 2 minutes. I swear I want to short it. Feel like it's looking for the bottom soon. Oof. Don't trade by feeling. Don't trade by feeling, my friend. Don't trade by feelings. Feelings won't do it. Wow, look at that. No short there at the 10 a.m. One great big pump. 320 to 363. Wow. All right. Oh, boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna trade 10 a.m. $15 seconds. There it is. 10 o'clock. One short. Nope. Too tight. Still want to short it. No one wants to protect that 20 EMA. Nope. Let's come higher. $281 bounce. POC is at 302. We got Risher to the downside. Could come back all the way to, who knows, 209. Be nice. All right, VWAP. Let's see if it bounces at 270. 270 is something. Oh, view. I don't have that one. I actually took it off. I think. Curious to see if it breaks the VWAP on my trading view or Trade-A-Vate, which would be the mean, which is 25,267. Yeah, I needed to redo that one, so I took it off. Otherwise, that would be the command. Yeah, this is too slow. It's probably gonna whip back up and into my face. What else can you do? Yeah. Stopped out probably. Some buyers coming in. This looks like the trap. Old trap. $300, 25, 300. Macdicator VWAP test. Nah, this is gonna whip right back up in my face. Yeah, it is kind of a little bit, give or take 3 points, but really hoping for the breakdown. Obviously. Let's see what the map is doing. Could. Nope. I'm out. Yeah, it's pushing me out. If the 920 doesn't hold, no. Didn't want to hold it. It's long now. We're above the VWAP. Check this one out. I took 2 trades and I broke even one. Oops. There. 1-1. So you type in trade count. I should put it up for a little longer. So I took 4 trades. I got 1 win and 1 loss. So for the week. Because I re-entered. I took my stop loss and I re-entered. So I count that as a trade. $300. Likes that 300 and likes to stay below the VWAP here. Good morning, Mac. And traders. 60 hour, what's going on? Yeah, so I added some little things to it so you guys can keep track. You could type in trade count and it'll show you my weekly trades. I think like to try to go short. My entry up there was the entry. Apparently. Right back down to the VWAP. But let's see. Got the 200 EMA down there, and we have support at 20 or 277 and the mean. So we'll find out if we have some buyers here. Trading a Lucid 150K. Lucid 150K. There we go. Oh man, short was right. I'll be straight with you. VEDX, it's another eval. It's okay. I'll let you know when the fundeds bust out. You gotta load them up. Got 5 of them to work. All right, we're on the mean right now. 25, 270. Looking for a 200. Looking for support. I think the support would be at 25, 252 if we don't find the mean support here at 270-ish. Looks heavy, but buyers are starting to step in. Try another trade. No. Going long. Not enough power. Send it back to the 9 EMA. Going down. See if it goes to 20. No. Bummer. I'm out. Unless we find support there and shoot back up. No, we're not finding support. That was a good try. Valiant try. More to the downside. At the moment. Finding support, maybe. It's gonna go. $47 seconds left in this candle. The support. Right back up. There it goes. Did it hit? Will it hit? Will it hit? It hit. Look at that. Trade win. Got it. $150K. So you just, when I take a trade, you can look at the trade count. Boom. 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss this week. That was a nice little TP there. That put me back in profit. I need to make that a little longer stay delay. Let's see. Do 20,000 milliseconds. There we go. And then all right, maybe that will work. Count. There we go. Maybe that will work. There you go. Now it should stay up for 20 seconds, but thought that was gonna hit my stop loss for a moment there. A lot of resistance going on. Mm-hmm. Still feel like this is heavy. This is a lot heavier than your normal. Everybody in the chat and the poll is bull trap. All right, let's see. Up $1,437 on this eval, 150K eval from Lucid. It's a pro. I was down on that last trade, so I'm looking for another entry. Finding support here at 25,268. Could break. If it breaks, it's gonna be fun. All the way back down. So I wouldn't try to short it at 25,269 yet. I'll get into one more trade here. Got about, give myself another 15 minutes. For some reason, my streamer. Going back up. Nice little push there. ES might make it back up to the VWAP. That's a possibility. Just 302 rejecting that POC. All right. What else is there to do with the next 10 minutes? I would say that that's pretty good for a break. No? MACD's coming down. Get some sell pressure. I would say we got a gap down there at 25,207. Love to trade to it. Let's do a sell order. Ah, 200 might bounce pretty good. Unless it breaks. Let's see. We can break 254. We can break it. Nope. Did not want to break that 254. VWAP is a sell. Is it not? 200 is a buy. Yeah, I'm out. Oh, I got lucky. I'm out. Yep. Let's see. Trade count. Adding to the trade. I think it added. It did add. There we go. Wow, look at that. Went the wrong way. No, I'm glad I got out of that one. Check that. Would have been a nicer long. Full flag. I've seen this before, right? Haven't we seen this before? Last night we popped up and then we just dumped off. Inverse head and shoulders. Where was it? It was probably at the same place too. What else is there to do? We got a gap up here, 25,385. I don't see why we wouldn't trade to it. Try it long. This one I'm just gonna let sit and wait. Got me in there. It's gonna get me out quick if it doesn't want to stay up there. Gotta get past 350. Nope. Back down. Nope. Back down. Still think that gap is reachable, obtainable. Just a matter of when do I enter for that size position. It's the question. It's funny. Let's try it again. Well, let's see how we go. I'm playing it to this gap up here at 25,385. Well, are we gonna break the high? Are we gonna go higher? That is the question. I entered it. I think I entered it pretty good. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if it comes back and just takes my stop loss instead. Because I stuck around too long. Could we go to 25,400? Could we? I'd like to see that happen. If we can get through 25,361, get that volume low volume profile, could happen. A buyer's coming in. Let's see if we can close this candle up here. 400 looks promising-ish. Possibility. You got 100 resting orders up there. Pull my stop loss up a little bit. We need to break the high. We want to keep moving. Break and close above. We got some buyers in there. Yeah, there's a possibility it can do something. 360, 360. Get above 365. There we go. Maybe, maybe not. We do. What's the ES doing? I gotta add one to the trade count. Add one to the loss. Yeah, well, I want to go higher or low. $29 seconds left in this candle. See what it does. I was protecting 60. Pretty good. ES is pushing up to those gaps. Yeah, we need some momentum to get past 64. It's gonna have this low volume, this minus development here, pretty thin. There it is. There's the reach. Still need to close up there. Hello, Tom. Those lines are the Macdicator, by the way. These red lines, so they're the gaps. Those are the gaps. And that blue line is previous day open or close. I gotta double check. Open. See if we can get to just under 400. Could go higher. "24 seconds left on this candle. I'd like to see it go green, obviously, after we check for support at 72. But, you know, might not have enough time. 10 seconds left. It's finding some buyers. See, back up. It filled the gap up there at 85. 400 could be just under 400, hopefully. Macdicator, man, shows you where things are, man. Look at that, from 119. It's already You know, it can show you the dates on the trading view for the Macdicator, and then obviously yeah, we could whip through 400 quick. I'm gonna front run it by a point. See if we can't nope. We'll see. All right, previous day open 25,394. They may or may not protect it. Yeah, they're protecting it so far. Full flag, still nonetheless. Nope. They didn't like it up there. I mean, with this much weighting, I might as well just put it at 427. Go back to session high, which, you know, 427 would bring us to big opening above, but that would pass me on this eval here to funded lucid, I believe. Close, pretty close, if not pretty close. Let's see if we rip through 400. Let's look at let's see the ES push up. Doomsday Mac M5. Interesting. No, she did not want to go higher. $20 EMA. Not yet, anyway. Currently, if you're joining us live now, I'm currently in a trade. 5 minis. Entry is 25,325. My TP is at 25,427.50, which is part of the Macdicator setup. And also previous session high, 25,439-ish. I'm front running it by 10 points or so. So if we can get up there and break through it, that'd be a nice trade. Barcoding here a little bit. Grabbing liquidity to go higher or go lower. We got 106 lots right up there, right above us. We'll put you back up in the trade alert. I'm in a trade up $6,000. What is it? Real money or something? Jeez. Oh, something's happening. Trader bait glitched. There we go. We're gonna break it. Somebody put it in a big order. It's something. That would be cool. That'd be cool if it launched. 50 points. It's possible. Anything can happen. Broke previous close. There we go. We got some breakage there. Here we go. 400. Come on. Fill it. Fill 400. We got 104 lots there. Go test previous session high. Let's go. Barcode. Yes, pulling back a little bit on the one. Got a gap up there, one tick gap on the ES up here at 26,904. Oh, there we go. What do we got left on this candle? 14 seconds. It's reaching. Close above here. We got 2 seconds to close. Let's see if we get it. Can I pass another 150K? Can I pass another 150K? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. We will see. That's another gap fill. We might leave that gap behind. We might. 400 just filled out. Testing previous day close. Open, sorry. Oh, price action's going. Where did my volume profile go? There it is. $25,392. About 7 seconds left. We can't get a close above that. Nope. Let's see if everybody here to the left wants to keep it going. Hmm. I mean, that's a tough one. Those lefters, everybody here that bought and sold, whoever's long, either they want to protect it, dump it. So struggling though, really is struggling to go higher. See if we turn this around. Keep it going lower. Nope. Well, sit here and with our fingers chilling. Diamond hand, diamond hand. Who has the diamond? Diamond hands. Might have overstayed my welcome. Oh no, it's not diamond, it's hold. Sorry. Still learning my own programming. There you go. Yeah, no, she didn't want to hold up there, did she? Come on, NQ. Freaking. Is it meow? Get up there. Come on. Come on. Well, if it's gonna pull back this far, you might the 25 just fell off, 400 fell off. I mean, why not? Mm-mm. 80, 80, 80. They're buying it at 78, 80, 82, 80, 82, stuck at 80, 82, 77, 80. No, falling off. Fell off a cliff. Just fall off the cliff already. Is it gonna take my stop loss? I believe it will. I believe it will. Yep, come on, come on, hit it. Hit the stop. Hit the stop loss. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. There you go. Stop build. All right, that was a win. I tried. I was overstayed my welcome. So what is the trade count? We had one trade, win, one win. If you type in trade count, you can see how many trades I've taken. I'm a degen. Boom. 8 trades, 5 wins, 3 losses. There you go. All right. Well, I much appreciate it. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the outro. Trying to refine that as that goes. Those of you that are here, thank you. Have a good day. Stay green. Still looking for that high of day. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Cas beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night. TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, Ryan Mac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit.